city. Let's change this into sport mode. Just press that button. Alright. Let's see how this thing goes. Woohoo! It goes good. Alright, let's hit some corners on this thing. So it can go around corners. It's really lovely and agile. Let's see if we can find some off-road and see how she goes. Look at that. You don't even have to go looking for it. It just simply turns into gravel road. So let's change that into off-road mode. There we go. And ooh, it's pretty slick here though. Oh no. Ooh. As you can tell, it's winter and it's frozen and slippery and slick. So this mightn't be ideal. Turn off onto a different gravel road. What's that? Nope, up there. Here we go. Woo! That's better. Just don't want a car to be coming the other way now. Let's pop that down. That was easy. Car's going to keep me honest. So on off-road sport, it's gives you a lot of leeway. No traction control kicking in. Fun. I might wait for this car to go ahead though, and I'm not eating dust. Alright, let's just pull up here, I think, get the drone up, have a little chat. I mean, pretty epic views, huh? And I mean, isn't that the beauty of the adventure bike? Just literally being able to go anywhere on any adventure at any time of year. Rain, hail, snow, winter, summer, deserts, you name it. All right. start heading home. This bike did everything I wanted it to do, and so much more. The biggest surprises are the engine's so good. How comfortable, you could ride this all day, and how agile it is for a big 1250. You're really expecting quite a big, brutish, bulky bike, but it's the complete opposite. It's very unintimidating. I think you'll be really surprised. If you're into Harleys or adventure bikes and this appeals, personally I think the looks are great. I think go and have a test drive. I'm at Filco and Harley Davidson. Nope. I mean, if you love Harleys and you want to have a go on an adventure bike, this is it. If you don't love Harleys, or a neutral, I think you'll love this bike anyway. Jump on a demo, take it for a ride, you'll be pleasantly surprised. It really is that good. Now, what does that say? Drought Road. I guess in the spirit of adventure riding, should we go and check it out? Let's go down this random road. I have no idea where this goes, but that's the point. There's a doggy and a big digger.
It goes out to Wakefield.
Oh, okay, rad. Thanks, bud. Woo! It just eggs you on to have so much fun. I don't know if you can tell, but it just steps out beautifully. And you never think you're out of control. They've done a fantastic job. And then you can see that little back brake, you can slide her into a corner. Power out. Come sliding into a corner. So much fun. Alright, to the bottom. Let's get out of here. Oh, we've got some tarmac. Switch back into the road, just like that, and we're done. Back on the highway. Time to take it back to Filco. What a day. Loved it. Policeman here. Let's see if we can find the speedo. That's better. Before we get back to Filco, we never really touched on the dash or anything. The dash is amazing. Those rider modes, just with the tip of your finger, you can just switch in between road, sport, just so quickly. I've never had a bike with cruise control. And literally, you just hit that, and away you go. So easy. Speed up, just give it a nudge forward. Amazing. That was epic. Come and get a test drive. If you're in Nelson, just call into Filco Harley Davidson and they'll set you one up.
How was it?
It was top notch.